So the I think second time I'm here, and for over 5 years I use it. And this series was really nice. I was mesmerized by the performances over here, especially the skits and the singing talent and the dances. I'm extremely spellbound with the performances, the discipline over here, the upkeep of the campus, the faculties over here, and the vice principal, all the faculty. It's really nice being here, and I feel very proud of to be the part of this. Those institutions, and I feel it should have us also a state representation. And this are at premium institutions. They compete with them, and then they can also do the higher degrees for very good institutions. So I'm very happy and proud of all the supports. And I very much.